Hello, this is me once again. I'm putting video on here to let everybody know how to do something because I had to figure it out because none of the other websites or none of the other videos seem to have the proper information for this particular year. This is a 2018 Subaru Crosstrek 50th anniversary. In case you're wondering, I'm not a leper, I've got poison ivy. But with this car, what we're doing is we're putting on auto dimming mirrors. They've got heated auto dimming mirrors, and it's going to have the approach light when you walk up. Now, we bought these off of eBay. Got a hell of a deal on them. I'm not going to say what I paid, but we got a hell of a deal. And we were just a little patient, and it paid off. So, first of all, you're going to go up to the mirror. I've got this adjusted up because I saw some other video that said adjust it up and to pop it loose. But here's the real trick to taking these off. I'm going to show you the trick, okay? First of all, make sure you have gloves on, okay? Because you don't want any glass to end up in your hands. But what you do is you do this. You go like that. And then you unplug the wires, okay? That's the hard part about getting them out, is just simply not following the instructions you see on others' videos. So, on the back of here, you've got these four things here that snap into these four things here. So, it's really just that easy to put the new glass in. What we're going to do is, this spot here, that's interesting. The other one had grease in that spot. This one does not. This comes with a pack of grease, and pack of grease looks like this, and it comes with this little thing here. It looks like a little L bracket. What we're going to do is, I think with this, we're going to go ahead and put the grease on it. The other one was heavily greased. This one was not, strangely. I don't know why, but we're going to go ahead and put some on there. So, you're going to take this. This snaps in here, kind of like that, okay? And then I'm going to squirt a little bit of this grease on there. So I'm going to open this guy up. Let's see, where are the tears? This is going to be the hardest part of putting this thing on here. This is what we're going to do. We're going to go like that, okay? And then we're going to go squirt a little bit of grease all over this guy. And what the hell, let's put some in here too. Okay, so once that's in there, now we're going to I'm going to show you this little trick here. It's called carefully, ever so carefully, ripping this little rubber thing here and taking this connector pack thing out of here, okay? This took me a little while to figure it out on the other side because I didn't want to ruin anything. And the thing is, you're not going to ruin anything because that's why this is here. In fact, on this side, you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that little plastic thing in here because it never hurt anybody being where it was. And it can just stay there. Next trick is going to be keeping this in here and taking this out. There we go. There's the catch. Come on. Come on out of there. Okay, well, there we go. Okay, here's your two plugs. One of them's going to go around to the other side, and one's going to stay close like this. So, the one that stays close like this, I didn't do this on the other side, and I regretted it once I snapped everything back in. I'm just going to give this a little twist so it keeps the wires from going into this area here, because on the other one they like to hang out right there, but we're going to fix that on that one. So let's take the black connector, hook it into the black plug. Let's take this white connector, where to go, put it into the white plug. And then we're going to, once you have those two plugged in, I'm going to take my screwdriver, set it aside, take these two wires here, these are for your heater. Make sure everything's not all twisted up with everything else. And we're going to plug in one plug, two plugs, little spade connectors there. Now, there's all your connectors, and there's your wires. I twisted up that one, like I said, to keep it down in there. Now this one here is a little short, just like it was on the other side, so I'm going to make sure it's underneath that plastic platform. So take a good look inside there. And that's how it's supposed to be. That way there you have nothing sitting on top of this white plastic. Now, if you come over here and look down into here, can you see down in? Mm-hmm. If you look, I'll point here. See this little plastic rod here, and this little plastic rod here goes into that plastic piece and that plastic piece. So we're going to take it, we're basically going to make sure those line up. Now I'm also going to take a screwdriver and push in my little plastic tab, the one I greased up earlier, and I'm going to push it into the plastic hole, and then I'm going to there we go. That's it. You just push around the center portion until it locks in, and that's it. Now your mirror's installed. We can clean it off and clean all the greasy fingerprints off, and now you've got approach lights on your mirror. Now one of the requirements of this, keep in mind, is that your mirror inside has the auto dimming feature. So the mirror on the inside controls these guys. So this has the auto dimming feature. You can kind of see it around the outside edge. And there's your new mirrors. Thank you. Thank you for watching.